Hi guys, today we are here in the attic. It was difficult coming up here, but I brought you here today to show you something that I feel is super important for you, the homeowner, to know when something is not going right on your AC and why, and what parts you need to be looking for to solve that problem. So here, you have the AC system set up, you have a tray. This tray is to capture water that drips from the unit, and if this tray has water in it, something is wrong already. So let's start from the beginning. There is a drainage line, this line. So this is designed to bring water from the AC, all the condensation water that's formed in there, to the outside through a pipe that has a P-trap in it and goes straight to the outside. Usually this pipe is not obvious and it is hidden somewhere that's dripping water when your AC is running. That's okay if water is dripping at that point, but there is another pipe, this pipe in here. If you see water dripping out of this secondary line, usually that pipe is right over a window or a door, and you see water dripping right in front, you need to take notice, because if that's dripping for a long time, it's just telling us that this main line is clogged, something is not right, and you need to bring a technician in. Now, if you didn't take care of it, what happens? The unit starts filling with water, and then water falls into this tray. And this tray is what's holding water from dripping inside your unit and causing damage. Usually insurance pays for damage, but what you can do is do this. Install a safety switch. This safety switch will turn the AC off so you know something is wrong with it before the water falls into this tray. This safety switch has a valve that when water fills up the unit in there, it turns the AC off. So you're hot inside the house and you call the technician before there's water damage in your house. Isn't that better to have this instead of spending thousands and thousands of dollars in insurance premiums that will go up on your house? Anyway, that's all I needed to say about this. Like Forrest Gump, we are out. Explanation. See you later.